Right guys, H&D here, just finished football training and today we're going to be doing the Woodwork challenge.
So it's the first one to hit both posts and the bar wins. Loser gets an egg on their head. Crossbar out of the way. Did that touch?
No.
Did that touch?
No! That clipped!
We'll have to watch that on replay. Go, go, go.
Right post! Left post!
Crossbar. One behind, got to try and catch back up.
Hit the right, time to the left.
Ooh.
Stop here, and it hit.
So that doesn't count.
Oh, no.
Right, I was trying to hit anything. Good finish though.
I'm saving crossbar to lost. Left both.
Oh no! I could be getting an egg. Right, so H has hit both posts, just leave the bar. He manages to get that. And have an egg on my head. Time to make a comeback. Oh mate, this will be the first challenge I lose.
Oh yeah, it will. Oh god.
Oh! H, good luck mate, no pressure.
You know what I'm going for?
H.
The ball. Okay.
Good luck, no pressure.
Once again, the ball. Go on, go on.
Got up my game, H is only needs the bar. Got my feeling a bit nervous. Get him! Get! Hit the bar, both posts again. Look, I've got my confidence back now. Really helped that, didn't it? Oh no.
The ball. So don't win. He's done it, he did it.
He's done it, he did it!
He's got an egg on his head. The first time I'm in a bar on my channel. He's got an egg on his head.
Hi, H.
No.
H. Well done. No, first challenge is won. So I get an egg on my head. Right, so we've just gone back from doing a challenge this morning. Hayden beat me. It's the first time he's beaten me in a challenge. It's the first time we're at a forfeit. Now he gets to crack his egg on my head. Enjoy it. Hang on. Is there anything you want to say?
No, I just want to crack it. I'm a devil. I didn't crack.
Oh, come on, what are you doing? Do the side. You're trying to knock me out.
So guys, we hope you enjoyed that video, and if you did, smash the like button and hit our logo to subscribe.
Laters.